Hey everybody, welcome back to my Frosty's Kitchen YouTube channel. In today's recipe we're going to make some amazing oatmeal cookies, and this is a plain version, no raisins, no chocolate chips. So let's get on with the ingredients. 1.5 cups of old-fashioned oats, and that is 135 grams. 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 140 grams. 1/2 cup of butter, 113 grams. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 150 grams. 1/3 of a cup of granulated white sugar, 65 grams. 1 large egg. 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 grams. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 grams. And our last ingredient, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 3 grams. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. So we'll get all of our brown sugar into our mixing bowl. Our white granulated sugar. And then all of our butter. And my butter is soft. Good. I'll get my bowl into place, lock it in, lift up my mixer. This is a brand new mixer. This has not hit the market at this time. This is coming to the market very soon. It'll be available on Amazon Canada and Amazon USA very soon. This model here is the KRAFTSMAN KM50. Drop it down into place. And then I'll get my mixer going. I press the power button right here. Just give it a press. This all lights up. You can't see this unfortunately on the camera, but there is a digital timer here which shows you total time elapsed and also the speeds. This goes from 1 to 8. I'm going to get this going. I just want to cream all of this up. Once that's creamed a little bit, I'm just going to add in my egg. That just helps out with the creaming process. Get that right in there. Then I'll add in all of my vanilla. So that was about 1 minute of mixing. I'm going to get my flour ready to go here. I'm going to get the salt into the flour and also the baking soda. Just give that a little bit of a stir before we add it. So you want to whip all of this mixture really well before you start adding in your dry ingredients. So that's good. Just lift that up. I'm going to get in all of my flour. Bring the mixer back down. Just speed number 1 here. I just want to slowly incorporate that. As soon as that is mixed, then I will add in our oats. So just speed number 1. We do not want to overmix our dough. You can see how well that already came together. So then I have room here, yeah. And then I'm just going to get it all in, all our oats right there. And that's it for the recipe. One more little stir. Speed number 1. And just get all of that in. And I'd say that is it. On to our next step. So I've got 2 trays ready to go. I've got a silicone liner on each one of them. If you don't have silicone liners, you can use parchment paper instead. Parchment paper is also called baking paper. So I've got my batter all ready to go here. So I'm just going to scoop it, and I like to press it against the side like that, and then just get it right on just like that. Do another one. Push it. Make sure it's even. And then right on. So I'm going to continue doing this, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, all of my cookies have been scooped out. I just moved them around a little bit to give them a little bit more breathing room since I do have 2 large trays. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take both of my trays and I'm going to place them into my fridge just to chill for about 30 minutes. You have 2 options. You can do it this way, or what you can do is while the batter is still in your mixing bowl, just put the whole batter in the bowl into your fridge, and I would say leave it there for about 40 to 45 minutes since it is a larger mass. And then you can just scoop them out and go directly into your oven. So I'm going to put both of my trays into the fridge for 30 minutes, and then they're going to go directly into my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven, which is 177 degrees Celsius. Total bake time is about 15 minutes. So here we are again. All my cookies have been baked and they are cool at this point. This tray here I did for 15 minutes, and then this one here I did for another minute because it was in the oven on the lower rack. I decided to do both of the trays at the same time. So this one here just needed a little bit more time in the oven. So these look really amazing. So to end off my video, let's go in and do a little taste test. So I'll lift this up. You can see, oh, look at that. Nice browning and caramelization on the bottom. I love that in this type of cookie. It really adds to the flavor. Break it in, look at this. Nice and chewy. These are completely cool. Always test a cookie when it's completely cool. It gives you a true, result of what is going on with the cookie. Let's go in for a little bite. So good. That is so good. Really chewy. Really amazing. That's all I can say. If you love oatmeal cookies, you're going to love this recipe. I love these cookies with raisins. I like them with chocolate chips, but I also love them just like this. Plain like this, amazing. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you can. And if you want to see a lot more variations of oatmeal cookies, I do have them over on my main baking channel over at Bake Like a Pro. So that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And I am going in for another bite. That is so good.